Hey Ombarus, I'm gonna need you to unscrew this for me, please. Yeah.
Huh? What do you mean, unscrew? What does that mean? What does it have to do with programming? I'm a programmer. What?
So I'm gonna need you to like not break it, okay?
Hey man, I was wondering, have you ever seen something like that? Do you know what goes in there? Like, it looks like it's made for something. Oh, dude, man, I have no idea. Like, I've got this shader I have to work on. I don't know, I got this thing here. Look like it fit. Maybe you can try that.
Oh, oh.
Huh. This short movie, if I can call it that, was inspired by a post I saw on Reddit that asked, how do you actually learn things? He was saying, it seems like you're trying to unscrew something without knowing what a screw is. And I thought, well, that's exactly it. That's what programmers do. They solve problems. Like, no one's probably ever done what you're trying to do in your game, and the only way you're gonna get it to work is to try stuff. Maybe you want your character to jump, grab a ledge, and climb onto the ledge, but you don't know how to do animation, you don't know how to move your character, you don't even know if you have a character. Well, the only thing you can do is try a bunch of things until you get kind of what you were hoping for. And if it doesn't work, you scrap it and you try again. Now, I don't really like trying to follow tutorials online, but what I do like is trying to add tools to my toolbox. So I like to watch videos from channels like The Art of Code. He's awesome, not because I'm ever going to use like a ray marching cube algorithm as a shader in one of my game or make a torus for my game engine, but because all the little tricks he used to get his shaders to render, I can reuse that in my own shaders. You know, centering the UVs by using +1 divided by 2, or maybe, you know, using the absolute value to mirror things in your shaders. These are all tricks. I just need to remember that they exist, and then I can ask ChatGPT for the solution if I don't remember the exact formula. This is what I want when I watch tutorial online. I want to add tricks so that later, when I decide that the solution might be a shader, I know kinda how I'm gonna do it. But I still need to try and make it work, and sometimes the first try doesn't work, neither the second or the third or the fourth, but eventually I'm hoping I'm gonna find a way to do it, or I'm gonna figure it out. I totally understand that this might not be the fun part for most people. I really enjoy this problem solving. But maybe you don't like it, you think it's a waste of time, you feel really bad trying to figure things out on your own. I get like that when I try to do art or music or something like that. But I'm absolutely convinced that anyone can do it if they try. It's not that hard, you just need to try a bunch of stuff. So, good luck with whatever problem you're working on this week, and I hope to see you all in my next episode. Bye!